What's up, y'all? So you seen the title? Yeah, no cap. Really took $200 to $6,000 in one day. I got the proof right here. I'm gonna show you guys what I did. Yeah, we're gonna get into it. All right. So as you can see, we're in my Topstep account. I'm not hiding the number or anything like that. You see, this is my account. So as you can see, I made $6,259. Literally in one day. You see the curve. You see my curve here is day one, and that says $6,259. So I know you probably want to know how I did that. I'm gonna show you guys how I did that right now. Basically, very simple, y'all. And this isn't really a strategy video. Where is it at? That's right here. All right, so this isn't a strategy video, but this is just kind of what I did in order to make that. I'm just gonna show you what I did. So I brought the screen up from yesterday. This was kind of what I was looking at yesterday. Now, only thing was like I didn't have all of this information over here. I didn't have none of this right here. None of it, right? All I had, let me see if I'm gonna just do it like this. So when I got into the market last night, it was late last night. What time is it? It's like military time. I'm not really too familiar with military, but I know this was around here. It was like night. It was nighttime last night, right? So I got these lines drawn here. Y'all excuse my chart. I know it's a little bit messy. It's kind of crazy. I got lines. I got EMAs everywhere, but it's just how I trade right now, and I know what's going on, so it works for me. So I just kind of just go with it. But like I said, I got in. I saw this kind of like looked like a bull flag to me developing, so I drew these trend lines here. And I said, if it stays within these trend lines, and by the time I got in, I was somewhere maybe, I think I had gotten off this bounce here of the trend line right there. And I thought, okay, we get this breakout of this trend line, we should get a retest. And then once we get the retest, we should get a breakout and it should go up higher. So that's what I did. I got in here and it started going up and I was feeling good, you know. And then all of a sudden, check this out. Check this out. About 2 o'clock, this happened. Let me go. 2 o'clock, this happened right here. And I actually got stopped out because I think my stop was like right where this yellow line at. My stop was right there. So I was all the way up here. I think when I got here, I was up like $800, right? I was in 2 contracts. And so I was up like $800, and then that thing fell down all the way here, stopped me out. And I think I ended up being down about 1,100. But what happened was I noticed that as soon as it came down, I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. This looks really bad. All right, but okay, so this is a 5-minute chart, a 5-minute chart. And so if you can follow me, if you can just follow me. So I got in, I zoomed in. So y'all probably like, what happened? But I zoomed in. And so I got in somewhere in here. Like I thought maybe we get this bounce off of this trend line and maybe this will break out of that bull flag that I had drawn, right? Let me just try to make it look a little better, maybe. So if y'all can notice the bull flag is this line right there and this line. That's what I consider my bull flag. So like I said, I got in somewhere here. When it shot up, I was feeling good, man. I was all the way up here with it. I was like, okay, yeah, we finna break out. And mind you, I didn't have none of this here. None of this information was here. Then around 2 o'clock, this thing just fell. It fell all the way down here. My stop loss was right here at this yellow line. So I actually got stopped out in this trade. And I was up $800, but I didn't take it because I was like, I think it's gonna go higher. Normally they do go higher, so I didn't take it. But anyway, so my stop loss was there. What happened was once I got stopped out, I was watching it and I saw it wick here, hit this line here. My other trend line, this is another trend line I drew. I drew that after the wick stopped there. I drew a trend line from here all the way to there. And I said, okay, it started shooting back up and you can see that wick, right? So I thought, okay, maybe it's actually finna go up. Maybe that was just like a little fake out. Cause you know, NQ, if you trade NQ, you know, NQ like to do fake outs and stuff. So thought it was a fake out. I got in here, that thing started going up, going up, going up. Next thing you know, we're all the way up here. We get this shoot down here. I stayed in still. My stop loss was below this wick at this point. I said, well, if it come back down here, I'm out of luck. So, but anyway, that thing kept going up. What happened was I moved my stop loss up when I got to about $1,000 in profit. And once I got to $1,000 in profit, I moved it up to $1,000. I said, well, I'm just going to let it go overnight because I knew the CPI, I think CPI was coming out this morning, which is right now, well, technically right now it's Thursday, but really CPI came out Wednesday. So when y'all seeing this video, I'm actually a little bit late on this video. So, but CPI came out Wednesday morning. So what happened was I knew that was happening, and I said, I'm just going to keep my stop loss to where, I can't show y'all here, but I said, I'm going to keep my stop loss to where it's $1,000. If I lose, I make $1,000. And it's like, if I win, you know, my profits could be, you know, exponential. And so I just said, well, I moved my take profit. So my take profit was like either here or here. I can't remember where it was. Well, I probably need TradeZilla. But anyway, that thing shot up. CPI was good, and it shot up, hit my take profit. And yeah, I feel good, man. It was a heck of a trade, and that's pretty much how that went. So that wasn't really a strategy, just kind of what I did. I can do another video on like what my strategies are and what I like to see and get in and stuff like that. But if y'all want that, just let me know in the comments. I'll make another video about that. But for now, that's just kind of what I wanted to give you guys today. And then today, I'll show y'all today. So I'm in my Topstep account still. Zoom down a little bit. If you can see here, I made $916. Right, so my total balance right now is $7,175. So, man, I'm feeling really good about my trading right now and where I'm at. It's been a long time coming. I mean, I've been trading almost 4 years. It'll be 4 years in April. And it just felt like at times I remember feeling recently, probably like last year, I was feeling like I was going backwards. You know, for some reason, I was like, man, like, I've been trading for 3 years, and I just feel like I'm not even, I feel like I'm not even close, and I feel like, I was close, but now I feel like I don't even know what am I losing it? Like, it was like real questions like that were crossing my mind. I'm like, man, this is just the toughest thing. And so it's still not easy. Like, trading is still not easy, but, I think there does come a point in time when you really just kind of, stuff starts to make sense, you start to really understand. And especially after, y'all, like, I've been looking at the markets for the past almost 4 years every single day. I've only missed one day, and I can tell you exactly when the day was that I missed. It was because I went out of town. So it's like I went out of town and I was, with some people, and I couldn't look at the charts for real. So I missed the whole day of trading, missed the whole day. I still looked at the chart a little bit that day, but I'm talking about like spending time in front of the charts every single day, like for hours and hours. Like, I literally, like, I just went to the doctor, y'all, because like I felt like I was letting myself go, because I'm like, man, I really want to get this. I really want to make money with this, like, this is how I want to make my money, and so it just feels good, to finally be at a place where I'm like, I'll actually get this now. I'm getting this now. And my balance I think my balance that I just showed y'all is the proof of that. So it just feels good, man. I'm just rambling now. If y'all want to see a strategy video, let me know in the comments. If you made it this far in the video, thank you for watching. I don't feel like I'm that interesting of a person to really be having a YouTube channel like that, but hey, man, it's cool. I'm happy to be on here and hope that, you guys are, getting something out of this as well. So that's going to be it for this video, y'all. Like I said, again, if you want a strategy video, somebody asked me about that before. So if I get some more people asking me, for that, I'll show y'all what I do. Y'all saw my screen is kind of busy. that's just kind of how I trade right now. Hopefully, you know, as I get more years, I may simplify my charts a little bit more, but it's working for me. So I'm just doing what's working for me right now. And but yeah, I can do that for y'all. Just let me know in the comments. That's gonna be it for the video. Thank you for watching, man. And until next time, peace.